Hi friends, welcome back to your channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to show you how you can actually play the 90 FPS in the Realme X7 Max device after updating to the latest update, which is a.20 update in the Realme X7 Max. So these are the comments which I'm getting from plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. The main thing is that if you update your Realme X7 Max device to a.20, you won't be able to play at 90 FPS like before. In the a.19, few of the users, they were able to play at 90 FPS. As you can see, friends, exactly what is going on. So we can actually get 90 FPS, but in the a.20 update, the 90 FPS will be capped exactly around 70 FPS. Unfortunately, that's kind of a drawback. Some users, they do like it playing at 70 FPS. Some people, they do want to play at 90 FPS. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to play at 90 FPS using latest version a.20 update. That's what this video is about. And previously, same kind of problem has been a lot of users that did encounter in the a.18 update. If you try to remember a.18, few of the users, they definitely know about a.18 update, where same kind of problem has been encountered before as well with the Realme X7 Max. So the only way to play it 90 FPS in this a.20 is to use the WhatsApp or any kind of other floating applications while playing the bad events mobile game. That's only one way you can actually do that. So once you click on the floating application, only then you will be able to play it 90. Otherwise, you won't be able to play exactly 90 FPS, unfortunately. So in this way, you will be able to play, friends. Let me know in the comment section below. There might be some couple of reasons as well. Maybe if phone is getting a lot of heat, that might be the reason why the Realme has been restricted not playing at 90 FPS. So try to click on the floating applications and try to minimize them. In case if you don't want to use them, try to minimize and try to keep it side. And in this way, you will be able to play at 90 FPS without any kind of problem while using the floating window application of the WhatsApp. This is only one way possible right now. Even if you use whatever set edit application, if you use JFX tool config file, whatever you try, it doesn't work properly in the Realme X7 Max, unfortunately. Because of this update, everything got completely gone. So because of latest update only, friends, that's the one major problem which has been happened. So overall, only to avoid the overrating problems in the Realme X7 Max, the Realme need to take this kind of step. That might be another one thing where we should definitely understand, but definitely this should be kind of users control, where we should have the control whether to enable the 90 FPS or not, because we definitely know that playing at 90 FPS is kind of biggest risk everyone should be taking to increase the temperatures, which will definitely increase high temperatures if you try to play. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and only in this way you'll be able to play at 90 FPS in the Realme X7 Max device by using the floating window of WhatsApp or any other application. In this way you'll be able to play it. Try to click enable the WhatsApp or any other application and try to minimize and try to keep it side, or maybe try to keep it side as well. As you can see, friends. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And in this way, you'll be able to play at 90 FPS without any kind of problem. But right now, I'm running still a.19 update only. So very soon I'll be releasing the a.20, because it takes a lot of days to get the latest update in the Realme phones anyway. That's another thing you should definitely understand about this Realme X7 Max update. So right now I'm trying to use the Realme gaming triggers at this moment. These are the gaming triggers which I'm trying to use, and these are the performance of the gaming triggers is. Exactly, you'll be able to understand how the gaming triggers works. As you can see, friends. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have other queries on the Realme X7 Max device, let me know in the comment section below. Only in this way you'll be able to play it 90 FPS in the a.20 update in the Realme X7 Max. So see you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.